What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Having a big nose is first of all not bad because it is perceived as a masculine trait. Actually, a lot of surveys are proving that men with bigger nose are perceived as more masculine as a man with a smaller nose. But if you're still not confident with your nose or you just want to make it look a bit smaller, then you should definitely watch this video till the end. Because in today's video I will show you 4 easy tricks that will help you to make your nose smaller or at least make it appear smaller. So if that sounds interesting, let's dive into it. But before you're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash a like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, let's start directly with the first advice, which is kind of the foundation. In order to get a smaller nose, you need to cut down your body fat percentage. But this will only help you if you're a bit overweight or you also have a lot of face and nose fat. In most of the times it is actually the case, and therefore a small reduction of your body fat can make a huge difference. And in order to reduce your body fat percentage, there are no shortcuts, so you need to work out consistently and also have a clean diet with a small calorie deficit. So before you continue with any other hack, make sure that you cut down on your body fat. Alright, let's continue directly with the second hack. Your nose will only appear as big as it is the first focus point. Simply when your nose is the first point where people look at when they talk to you. But how can you prevent that your nose is the first focus point? My 2 favorite ways are working either with a beard or wearing some good glasses. Both will lead the attention away from your nose and therefore make your face look more balanced. But make sure that you find glasses and a beard style that is matching to your face shape, because otherwise you will not upgrade your attractiveness. Besides that, you can also work with a specific hairstyle, like for example choosing a hairstyle with longer sides and more volume on top to simply lead the attention away from your nose. So definitely give it a try. Number 3, work with facial exercises. There are actually tons of face and nose exercises that you can implement into your routine to support you on your way to get a smaller nose. But the key is definitely to be consistent with it, so you will not see results after doing it once or every few days. You need to do it for a long period of time and stay every single day consistent. And if you also work with the first 2 advices, you have a high chance of getting a smaller nose, or at least making it appear smaller. And finally, number 4, make sure that you don't have any blackheads or other impurities on your nose. Any inflammation on your nose will make it look bigger than it is. Plus it will also lead the attention to it, so it becomes the first focus point. And that's why it is so important that you have the right skincare routine and also exfoliate your skin at least twice per week. Simply to get rid of all the old skin cells which can lead to blackheads and other impurities. And by the way, I also linked some of my favorite skincare products in the description below, so you can directly check them out. And that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also guys, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys, see you in the next video.